Paid leads. What are the best lead sources and why are they so important? Welcome to my mini series of 5 pillars for your business. And today is the first pillar, which is paid leads. Now, why am I picking this as the first pillar? Because it applies to everyone if you're just starting out in the business or if you've been in the business for many, many years. Now, when it comes to paid lead generation or paid marketing, things have changed dramatically over the last 10, 15, 20 years. When I got into the business, the place to spend money for lead generation were Sunday newspaper display ads, full page ads in the real estate book and Homes and Land magazine and the likes, because internet lead generation back then didn't exist. But one thing that is important then, or was important then and is important today, is that you have to be able to quantify what your return on investment is going to be. And there's so many places you can spend money on when it comes to paid lead generation, but a lot of them are fraught with risk and uncertainty. And my top 2 lead sources are Zillow and Realtor.com. Why? Very simple, because people that respond to searches on Zillow and Realtor.com are interested and are volunteering their information, very much like in the old days when somebody picked up the phone and called on a newspaper ad or magazine ad. They were reaching out to get more information. And when you look at typical Google pay-per-click type of advertising that drives traffic to a broker IDX website, there's going to be a trap where somebody has to register to get basic information about the property. And so people might register, but they're not really interested. Whereas on Zillow and Realtor.com, you can research for hours and hours and hours and look at thousands of properties without ever being forced to register. So when somebody actually registers to contact someone to get more information, they are a lot more serious. So why do these lead sources sometimes get poo-pooed? Why do some agents have poor experiences? Well, it's because of consumer behavior. If you're a home buyer and you're on Zillow looking at multiple properties, you're not just going to send out one request. You're probably going to just click on the autofill link to request information from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe even 10 different real estate professionals. You don't know that they're 10 different professionals, but you're clicking on 10 different properties. And so speed to get back is absolutely critical with those leads. So I highly recommend you include paid lead generation in your marketing plan as one of your 5 pillars. And again, I believe that Zillow and Realtor.com are the 2 top best lead sources. The key to success here is twofold. Number 1, targeting. You want to be crystal clear which areas, markets, zip codes you're targeting. And number 2, you have to be able to respond within minutes. If you can't do that, then hire a third-party company that specializes on responding to your leads within minutes. Top agents, top teams that do hundreds or thousands of transactions love Zillow, love Realtor.com leads. They're willing to get as many as they can. They're on waiting lists. Why? Because they work if you work them. I hope you found this helpful, and please check back tomorrow for pillar number 2, which is going to be free lead generation, how you generate free leads. Hope you found this helpful. My name is Thomas Hyman with Realty Partners.